Welcome back, everyone. Look, if you are just totally exhausted by the daily grind, constantly feeling like you're working harder but not actually getting more done, well, you are in the exact right place. Today's explainer is going to be an absolute game changer. We're unpacking the ChatGPT 5.6 productivity blueprint. And I want to be clear right up front. This isn't just about cool party tricks or having an AI generate a funny poem for your buddy's birthday. We are setting the stage here for a total ground-up workflow transformation using the absolute latest advancements in AI. Get ready to shift from being just another worker bee to actually becoming the conductor of your very own orchestra.
So I have to ask, where does your time actually go? Seriously, we all know that terrible feeling. It's 5 p.m., you're completely drained, that workplace burnout is definitely creeping in, but then you look at your to-do list and realize the big, important projects haven't moved an inch. No way. Instead, your entire schedule was swallowed whole by busy work. We're talking about answering endless email threads, formatting documents, summarizing meetings you probably shouldn't have been in to begin with. We spend all of our premium brain power on administrative friction. And the real pain of this busy work isn't just that it's boring, though it definitely is, it's that it literally steals the hours you need to do the work that actually matters.
But here is the core promise of the source material we are looking at today, and it's beautifully summarized by just one number: 25. Out of the absolutely infinite ways you could potentially talk to an AI, the blueprint distills everything down to just 25 essential ChatGPT 5.6 prompts. That's it. By utilizing these exact 25 structured commands, the source outlines how you can literally win back hours of your life every single day. And the best part? You don't need to be some master prompt engineer or a coder to pull this off. You just need these specific keys to unlock a fundamentally different way of working.
Okay, let's dive into this highly actionable daily system. Our agenda today covers the daily time crunch, conquering morning admin tasks, accelerating your deep work, streamlining research and analysis, and finally, your new AI workflow.
Section 1. The daily time crunch.
Let's quickly contrast how we used to work with how we really should be working. The old way is something you know intimately. It's staring at a blank, glowing screen for 30 minutes, just waiting for inspiration to strike while the cursor aggressively blinks at you. It is so frustrating, right? It drains your momentum completely and it kills your creativity before you even begin. Well, the blueprint way completely flips this. Instead of starting from zero, you execute a specific, targeted ChatGPT 5.6 command to instantly generate an outline, a rough draft, or a framework. You are no longer staring at a blank page, you are instantly in the editor's seat. It directly eliminates that awful initial friction.
Section 2. Conquering morning admin tasks.
So, you open your laptop at 9 a.m. and you are immediately faced with the mountain. We've all been there. Someone sends an email starting with "per my last email," and you have to spend 20 minutes figuring out how to reply professionally without letting your blood pressure spike. Or maybe your boss sends a message that just says "thoughts" on a massive thread. I love how the blueprint handles this. It maps the specific intent, like politely neutralizing that passive-aggressive coworker or decoding impossibly vague instructions, directly to a specific application. ChatGPT handles the emotional labor and the drafting instantly for you. You just review it, tweak it a bit, and hit send. Morning mountain, conquered.
Section 3. Accelerating your deep work.
And this brilliantly illustrates how the blueprint isn't just about knocking out quick emails. It's an absolute powerhouse for strenuous effort. Whether the task you're facing is drafting a technical white paper, structuring a massive marketing campaign, or writing complex code documentation, the blueprint pairs it with a highly targeted prompt structure. It contextualizes the prompts so the AI understands exactly the tone, the specific audience, and the unique constraints of your task. It effectively transforms what used to be a multi-hour brain drain into a highly focused collaborative editing session.
To see the real magic here, you have to compare these two approaches. If you give the AI a generic, lazy input like, write a blog post about productivity, you are going to get a generic, lazy output back. But a true blueprint prompt is highly detailed. It commands the AI, act as a senior productivity coach, write a 500-word article targeting mid-level managers, use a bold, energetic tone, and include 3 actionable bullet points. Wow! The dramatic leap in output quality you get from upgrading to a true blueprint prompt is staggering. Honestly, it is the difference between playing with a toy and wielding a precision instrument.
Section 4. Streamlining research and analysis.
Now, what's really interesting here is the underlying architecture of this specific phrase from the blueprint. Act as an expert data analyst. Right away, that assigns a persona. Synthesize these quarterly reports highlighting 3 anomalous trends. Okay, that gives it a highly specific, constrained task.
and projecting Q4 outcomes in a structured table. That dictates the exact format of the output. This works so incredibly effectively in ChatGPT 5.6 because it leaves zero room for ambiguity. You aren't just casually asking for a summary. You are literally deploying an expert analyst to structure your data flawlessly in seconds.
And this all builds into a highly effective workflow technique called chaining. Because it's not always just about one single prompt. As we see in step 1, you use an initial, broader prompt to cast a wide net, say, generating 20 different angles for a research project. Then, you seamlessly move to step 2, feeding the best results right back into the AI with a secondary prompt to refine, critique, and narrow those ideas down. You are basically walking the AI through a funnel, turning raw data into a polished final product through a highly interactive, step-by-step procedure.
Section 5. Your new AI workflow.
So the crucial point to take away is that this isn't just a random list of tips. It is a totally redefined daily schedule. At 9 a.m., you deploy your admin prompts to instantly clear your inbox and organize your priorities. At 1 p.m., you leverage the deep work structures to tackle your hardest creative or analytical tasks entirely without the fatigue of starting from scratch. And by 4 p.m., you use the synthesis prompts to wrap up research, summarize meetings, and prep for tomorrow. You transition completely from an overwhelmed reactive worker into a proactive AI-empowered conductor, managing a seamless, highly efficient day.
Which brings us to the single most important question of this entire explainer. The blueprint proves that by using these 25 prompts, winning back your time is completely possible. The busy work can finally be outsourced. So, if AI can give you back 3 hours of your life tomorrow, what will you build with them? Will you finally start that passion project? Are you going to spend more time with your family? Will you learn a new skill? The time is yours to take back. Start implementing this workflow today and find out.